Hello there. In this video, we will see how to calculate shipping deadline date based on the shipping policies. So let's get started. We will go to our sales module, go to configuration tab and see these things step by step. First is to establish the shipping rules. So here are the shipping rules. First is the name of shipping rule that we will mention over here. Next is the shipping days. So here we will add the days to the shipping days, which will include the pickup days well. Next is the shipping working days. So here are the working days. If we can want, we can select Saturday, Sundays working days well, or even from Monday to Friday. So here are the options in the drop down. Next is if you want to add public holidays in the shipping days, you can check this. If you want it, you can toggle this button true. Next is the set the cutoff time. So cutoff time is calculated on the base of 24-hour format over here. So if your order comes to the system after 4 o'clock, it will be forwarded to the next day order and not the same day order. So this is the setting of the cutoff time. Next is the time zone. So there are different types of time zones that we have configured. You can select any one of them as per the requirement. The system will calculate the order as per the time zone and the set cutoff time mentioned over here. So next is the public holidays. So we can mention the public holidays which will be considered as holiday. Currently, as you see, 20th September is the public holiday, which is I guess tomorrow. As we see, currently we are having 19th September and next day is 20th. So we will have public holiday tomorrow. Next is shipping method configuration. So standard delivery is the shipping method I've configured. Here we will select the deadline as UPS standard, which is the policy, and according to this policy, the deadline will be set. So this is the basic shipping method configuration. And after the same, we will go and create a sales order. So let's create a sales order from here. We will add the customer. We will add the product from here and add the shipping. On adding the shipping, we will select standard delivery as we have configured the same in our shipping methods. So let's edit. On now adding the same, we will confirm our sales order and go to the delivery order. So in the delivery order, you can see shipping deadline date is 24th of September. So we will see how it will be 24th of September. So for that, let's go back to our sales order and here is the explanation of the same. First is the current date and time is 19th of September and the order is coming to us after the cutoff time, and so it will be considered for 20 September. And as we see that in public holiday we have mentioned 20 September as the holiday. So as you can see, 20 September is the holiday, so order will be go ahead to 21st September. But if you want to see that 21st September is working day, then we can go to again shipping rules that we have established. But we can see we have shipping working days as only till Friday. So Saturday, Sunday are both the holidays and weekends. So 21st and 22 will also be cut off. As you can see over here, it will be skipped. So now we will have the shipping deadline of 23rd of September, as you can see. And next thing that we will keep in mind is we have added one day ahead, and as you can see we have added one day of the shipping, and that makes the deadline of 24th of September in our delivery order, which is mentioned over here. So this is the basic configuration and basic steps to understand how we can calculate our deadline based upon the shipping policy that we have mentioned over here. Let us know if you face any issues while configuring the same. My team will be there to help you out. Thank you.